Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to change screen recorder sound settings into Oppo Find X3 Lite. First of all, open your settings and find Convenience Tools. This one. Here we got screen recording, and first block in this list will be sound settings. First option is record system sound. This position is turn on this option, and record microphone sound, its position is turn off. And for activate, for example, the last one, click on the switcher, click OK, and now we activate our record microphone sound. And for turn off, click on the switcher, and this position is turn off this option. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.